Good afternoon from my girls' weekend at the ocean. We are staying in the cutest little beach cottage called Sip and See. I've come on this girls' weekend with three amazing women. My sister Sarah, my sister-in-law Carly. Third person is Bonnie or Bon Bon. But all right, off to our adventure.
Hello, I'm Ash. Welcome to my channel. My life has taken some unexpected turns in 2020, leaving me picking up the pieces and pressing restart. I don't know what every day will hold, but I do know I'm just gonna wing it. Thank you so much to the patrons of my channel. You help make Winging It with Ash possible. Adventure number 2, we have come out to go crabbing. We have a little crab pot here and a fishing pole here. We have chicken in a box that we're supposed to put in the crab pot. And supposedly, Bonnie, what's supposed to happen with this crab pot?
So you're holding it like this, you go bloop, 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 and then you get the crab in there and whoop, trap it on it.
Trap the crab. It's called a crab trap for a reason, people. So they need to tie it on to the fishing pole. Then we need to figure out how to cast it out. The test.
Go.
It's locked. I don't know this one.
I can't pick it up like it's...
Oh, it's too heavy?
Somebody, we would have to see it. No.
Our test failed!
Take the drink out.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh no! Is it in a rock? Go get it! Look at, oh wait, it's loose. Anything? Black. Ready. Steady. Oh! How many times are you gonna swing it? I did. Look, you ran it right. Yeah, I did. I had it. Oh, I'm holding it. It started to rain out here, so we're headed back. How many crabs did we catch?
0.
No crabs. We don't have crabs at all.
No, we caught a chicken.
We found a lot of chicken in the sea that we threw in there to hopefully find crabs, but it didn't work. We're headed back because it's clam chowder time, people. Chowder time, chowder time. I was trying to think of like a song, like peanut butter jelly time, but like razor clam chowder time. Razor clam chowder time.
Raise a clam
Razor
chowder.
clam, razor
My mother is a soldier who veteraned week after week in the trenches. My dad's a weapon against my panicked expression. Wonder if I'm like him, a question that crossed my conscience pretty often, I'm guessing. Prayer ain't cause he ate off of my mother's depression. 100-hour weeks without a second to rest. My life's a blessing that's been given by a hard day's work.
Sarah and Bonnie are cutting the clams open, but there's this little strip inside of it, and they swear that it's poison.
You gotta say it when you push it out. Yeah, you gotta watch it when
It's in every single one of them?
Mm-hmm.
So
it's in this part.
It can make you really sick if you have it left in there. You think it'll kill you?
See that? Oh, do you see it?
Should have just slide out.
You missed it.
Now we're trusting both Bonnie and Sarah with our lives, Carly.
You wanna see another one? Oh, see that?
It just slides out like that.
Squirts out. You have to push it.
The more you know. Science, people. A cooking lesson from Sarah and Bonnie. Brought to you by Sarah and Bonbon. All right, back to cooking.
State we all create. Is it space? Is it pause? Is it a place you can pause? Rest your pause, not often leave your day. Is it faith? Is it God? Be it Jesus or Allah? Is it worth your stress and hard work throughout the day? These are questions that I got. I'm just another product of the age of hip-hop, where the money don't come, and the drugs don't stop, and the fathers don't talk, and the mothers all rocks, and the world keeps spinning, and we pray.
Have you tried it yet?
I like the taste.
See, way better than what you think, huh?
I like the bacon.
It's still kind of soft. Like I knew it was gonna taste good, but it tastes even better than that. I'm gonna sneeze because there's some bell pepper. Every time I first do pepper, it makes me sneeze.
Good morning! It is our last day of our fun little girls weekend and we're starting out with a bang. We got some coffee and now we're doing our fun little tradition of going down to the little donut shop. It's called Cucamonga's and they have tiny miniature donuts that are delicious.
I'm doing maple bacon and then
The cream cheese she's putting on them, right? Oh, there's nine cap. Load her up for Sarah.
that's great.
I'll feed you.
These raspberry ones are really good.
Ask for more. I'm not gonna eat all these. Hi. Yeah, we have four golfing today.
On the cards?
It should be 2, I think, on those. All right, girls' weekend continues. It's our last day here at the ocean, and we've all decided to go mini golfing. Let's make predictions. Who's gonna be the loser? Are you pointing to yourself, Carly?
Yeah.
Oh no. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, we do it, and then it makes everybody else like, what if I got it and won this next
Ah!
time? You know?
Oh, behind the rock.
Did you write down mine? Yeah. Chavez? No. I didn't say sha, I said cha.
Oh gosh. Sorry. 3.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. This is 3.
3.
What in the
Sorry. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
You got some power. Ashley, you're first again. Let's go.
We're still going strong. It's really warm out, so we all like stripped down to finish out our golf. But it's been 18 rounds for the first course, and now we're doing a second course. So this is our last one. That's pretty good. I made it home after my girls' weekend, and it was amazing. I'm exhausted. It's Sunday, and I'm back to work tomorrow. But after a fun-filled weekend like that, I'm pooped, so I'm ready to go to bed. So thank you so much to Stephanie and Christopher for letting us stay in their beach cottage. It is amazing. If you're interested in going to Oyhead Beach and staying in their beautiful home, then I have a discount code down below for you. You can rent their space for you, some friends, a girls' weekend, or a family trip. There are so many fun things to do in the town and around the surroundings. There were so many other things that we would have loved to have squeezed into our weekend, but we just didn't have the time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to share more adventures with you. Who knows what's gonna be in the next one. Goodbye and have a great week. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you later. Bye.